What you're about to see is an AI-generated simulation of the complete renovation of a craftsman-style home, from a dilapidated, abandoned structure to a fully restored architectural masterpiece. Every step, every material, every design decision is shown in sequence. This isn't a real house. This is a reference model built with AI so you can clearly see the construction process, as if you were standing right on the construction site. Each part of this renovation process is explained in easy-to-understand language, so whether you're a homeowner, a designer, or simply curious about how a house is built, you can visualize the steps the house will take. Stay with us. In the end, you'll not only see a completed house, but also a way of thinking about home renovation that will change the way you approach your own home renovation. The brick is repointed with fresh gray mortar, a technique that reinforces the joints between courses and restores the wall's ability to shed water cleanly. The new roof is architectural charcoal gray slate, chosen deliberately. Dark roofs ground a structure visually, pulling the eye downward and anchoring the home to its landscape rather than letting it float disconnected against the sky. The porch columns are rebuilt in cedar, a wood that resists rot naturally without chemical treatment. The front door is honey-toned, a warm craftsman profile with divided light glass panels that allow light in while maintaining the solidity the style demands. Outside, the landscape is rebuilt with the same intentionality. Curved concrete pathways with brick edging, garden beds planted with David Austin roses, blue hydrangeas, and lavender. These are not decorative choices made randomly. Lavender repels insects. Hydrangeas perform well in partial shade. Roses give structure and height. Every plant earns its place. The living room. Once the room is clean and dry, the ceiling coffers are rebuilt in walnut. Walnut is a dense, stable hardwood with a deep, reddish-brown grain that deepens with age. Under warm light, it does not just look rich, it feels warm, almost alive. The walls are finished in cream beige, a neutral that reflects light without competing with the wood. The limestone fireplace is rebuilt stone by stone. Limestone is a sedimentary material that holds heat slowly and releases it gradually, making it one of the most thermally efficient choices for a hearth surround. The walnut mantle above it is thick and unadorned, a shelf for objects rather than a frame for ornament. Engineered dark walnut flooring goes down last, polished to a mirror finish. Engineered boards are dimensionally more stable than solid wood, meaning they respond less dramatically to seasonal humidity shifts, a critical consideration in any room that will contain a working fireplace. The kitchen and dining room. After infrastructure upgrades, new plumbing, electrical, and waterproofing, the design language of the Craftsman kitchen is introduced. Dark walnut cabinetry runs floor to ceiling, anchored by copper-toned hardware that references the home's original pipe material as an aesthetic callback. The copper range hood becomes the room's most dramatic vertical element, drawing the eye upward. Dark charcoal granite countertops are selected for their durability and tonal harmony with the cabinetry. The central walnut island is topped with butcher block, a warmer surface that provides a tactile contrast to the stone and signals that this kitchen is meant to be used, not just photographed. The dining area is built around a solid white oak trestle table, surrounded by slat-back chairs. White oak is a practical choice in a room that receives daily use. It is harder than red oak, more resistant to moisture, and ages to a beautiful honey tone over time. The bedroom, the restoration here begins with the floors. Honey oak hardwood, lighter than the walnut used elsewhere in the house, shifts the atmosphere deliberately. Lighter floors reflect more ambient light and make a room feel larger without altering its dimensions. In a bedroom, that sense of spaciousness is not decorative, it is functional. The bay windows are reglazed with prairie-style muntins, the geometric divided pane pattern that is the defining visual signature of the Craftsman tradition. This pattern filters direct sunlight without blocking it, creating a soft, diffused quality that is impossible to replicate with a standard window treatment. Custom solid oak furniture and X-panel queen bed and matching nightstands is assembled without metal hardware. The joinery is wood-to-wood, traditional and enduring. Forest green upholstery and lodge-plaid bedding bring the natural world inside without forcing it. A copper Tiffany glass ceiling fan circulates air silently. The bathroom, The shower is reconstructed with handcrafted sage green subway tiles and a riverstone accent wall. The color temperature of sage green is chosen for its psychological effect. It sits between the cool of blue and the warmth of yellow, producing a calm that no other color achieves in wet spaces. Frameless tempered glass encloses the shower, keeping the sightlines open and the room feeling larger than its footprint. Large format variegated slate flooring is laid to ground the space in natural texture. The dark walnut vanity is fitted with hammered copper vessel sinks, two materials that age together, developing patina in a way that only becomes more beautiful over time. This AI-generated house is a reference, not a prescription. Your home, your climate, and your budget will demand different decisions. But the logic that runs through this renovation, respect for materials, clarity of sequence, coherence of design language, that logic applies everywhere. What element of this renovation surprised you most? Drop your answer in the comments. We read every one. If this gave you even one useful idea for your own project, subscribe to the channel. More reference renovations are coming, each one designed to help you see what a blueprint cannot show you.